So just for fun, I decided to type into ChatGPT. If you're not familiar with it, it's an AI software that you can pretty much tell it anything. It's going to search the internet in like a millisecond and give you an answer for it. So I typed in, what should I do if I want to start my own real estate photography business? And I thought it was interesting. I'm going to read you the first thing that they tell you to do. Develop your photography skills. Take photography courses or Joe Gustafson's YouTube tutorials. Workshops or online classes to improve your skills and learn about the best techniques for real estate photography. So I got to thinking, you know what? That is the number one thing you should be doing. You should be practicing as much as you possibly can. And I thought, you know, if I was having to start over, starting from scratch, that's exactly what I would do. You need to get the gear, and that actually is number 2 on this list. So that has to be first. You can't practice with your phone. It's not going to be the same. But once you get your gear, just start practicing and practicing and practicing, experimenting with different things. And here's something I thought of. You know what? The realtors that are shooting houses that are like, you know, in the low, way under $100,000, maybe even under $50,000, maybe just call them up and approach them and say, hey, listen, next time you get a really low-end listing that you were going to take your photos for anyway, how about I shoot them for $50? I mean, they're not going to hire you to do that anyway, but yet they're not going to hire you to do the high-end stuff if you can't prove yourself. So you're going to put yourself out there. Other realtors are going to start noticing, hey, your photos look a lot better there, Mr. So-and-so, you know? And so the word's going to start to spread. So why not? What if they say no, say, hey, I'll do it for $40, whatever. I wouldn't do it for free because your time is valuable. It has to be worth something, but that's where I would start if you're not getting any gigs. If you don't feel confident enough yet shooting like a super high-end listing, you know, something over $1 million, or you know, you have that one chance to get it right, or you're never working for that realtor again, consider, you know, if you're doing HDR right now, that's fine, but I would suggest watching my tutorials and start learning Flambient as fast as possible because it's not as complicated as you might think it is, but that's what I would do. Leave me a comment below. Let me know where you're at in your business. If you're struggling to get work, if you're just starting out, if you don't have any gear, I want to talk to you. I want to help you out. I answer every single comment. But again, thanks for watching. We'll see you in the next video, guys. Bye-bye.